Hello viewers, this program is used to insert a data or node at front in linked list. So in linked list, we can insert the new data in three ways. First one is insert at front, then next one is insert at end, and another one is insert at any position. The first sample program, it's explained how to insert the node at front. So in linked list, everything should be based on the nodes. That node contains the data part and also link part. In the data part, we have stored the data or item, and the link part is used to point out to the next link. So here I am going to explain how to insert a node at the beginning or to insert the data at the beginning. Just we are inserting the new item after our header node. So what is header node, or what's the difference between header node and other nodes? Header nodes, its data part is null and also it's point to the first node of our linked list. So our header node link always point out to the first node of our linked list. So at the beginning, when we are trying to insert the node at the beginning, our header should point out to the new node, and also new node link should point out to the previous first node. Okay. Likewise, we are insert the item. So here I am using three functions. First function is create. This function is used to create the header node, and then next function insert. This node is whenever we have a data, that time we are call this function and also try to insert the new node at the beginning. Then last one is display. After inserting all the data, we are view whether we are insert the data in the right way or not. For that purpose, we are using the display function. So already when we are creating the node, initially the nodes data part and link part is null. When after creating the when it's become a header node, its data part is always null and link part should point out to the next one. So already we think we have some item in our linked list, and we are trying to insert the new node. First we are creating the new node, okay, using the node structure, then receive the data. In the data part of new node, there is nn arrow point data equal to n, new data what we have received through keyboard, and move the new node link to the header link, and also followed by header link should point out to the nn. And when we can find the end of our linked list, the node link part is null. That mentions the node that's the end of our linked list. So based on that concept, we are display all the items in the linked list. So always the program execution should be start from the main. So in the main we are creating the header and create the object for the class SL. Then we are creating the header node. Okay. So header node, when we are call the create function, the header node data part is null and also link part is null. Then next we are pass the header node pointer or address to the insert function. So from the start of our node, we are creating another one node that should be known as new node, and receive the data from the end user. That data assigned to the new node data part, and new node link part, we are assigned new node link part as header node link part. Currently header node link part value equal to null. So the first node's link part is null, and change the header link equal to new node. So currently, then afterwards it's point to the new node, and new node link part as null. Likewise, we are inserting the 4 nodes using this program. Finally, we are display all the items. So let's try to execute the programs in Turbo C compiler. So the program, okay, what shown in the notepad, the same program typed in my TC editor, and execute. We are trying to execute the program. When I execute the program, first we are trying to there is our cursor ready to receive the input from the end user. So I am giving the first input as 34, and for second one we are giving the input as 78, and next one is 90 and 55. The data should be inserted in the order of 34. Then between header and 34 we are inserting the next data 78, and between the node, second node, and also header node we are inserting the next element 90, and last we are inserting item 54. So from the header to last node, when we are traverse, we can get the item 55, 90, 78 and 34. Thank you everyone.